train and let me bunny.
Come on.
Since we're kept inside from the rain, then we get to play with Play-Doh.
Ready to be served to W.
Yours is almost.
Oh my god. And now, well, I'm waiting for Dad.
Wait,
I'm going to be doing.
This is perfect. It can be in a tiny mint. Hey, Autumn.
I need to mix.
Autumn.
What?
So I took this, and I took this color, Autumn, and I made a mint.
Oh my god, okay, look how cute this is.
Wait, is that a?
It's a little pink thing.
Yeah.
Ah, get off my finger.
Let me see what's on there. There's a bunny. There's a tiara.
Oh my god, look, we could use this for the dolls, Madeline. We can do these for the dolls. These two for when they go to the beach.
Yeah. For now.
I need to put out all of this. You can make this, not this. This is me.
It's from the kinetic sand, Autumn.
Wait, we used to have kinetics, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. And then Mom and Daddy got rid of it.
Why does it have to get rid of our kinetic sand?
It's always a long time ago, anyway.
And now, can I tell you something real quick? That must right over.
Oh yeah. And I guess that what you got for him is from me and Mom's. I got 2 mints, and now I'm gonna make some.
Oh my god, why is this thing still open?
And now
I need to close this thing before it dries out.
get this.
Okay, so snowman. You can make snowman, a star, another star. This weird thingy, it's like a flower, circle, Christmas tree, little Christmas tree.
Actually, can you give me
a
the star?
lobster, and the stocking. Star. Okay. The big one or the small one? Here you go.
And now I need.
Mom, look. See, you can roll it up, and then it makes that.
Autumn, look.
See, look.
I can make that.
Yeah, and then you can add
Wait,
butter
actually,
and
give me
make
that.
some bacon.
Give me.
Copy this side.
Okay.
All you gotta do is do that.
Please give me the triangle.
Triangle, here you go.
But I'm gonna make it in a different
Now,
color.
here's the scissors in case you need them.
I don't need
No,
them.
no, not the scissors. I meant the knife.
I already have one, but actually I think I can use this too.
And there's a ginormous rolling pin over here.
That I have.
Okay. I thought you didn't have it. Dude, we have like 4 Play-Doh rolling pins. Well, 5, but over here 4. Buddy, which one do you want to use for when you have to roll things?
What?
The red one, the green one, the blue one, the blue one, or the other? Choose one. Okay, I will take the blue. Wait, and which one do you want?
Actually,
Which one?
I don't need a knife.
Wait, no.
Told you there was more.
I didn't see him.
I already have. I need the
Can we
green.
turn on the music so we can have some fun?
Yeah.
Oh look, this is for a snow cone, and here's a stander for it. There are 2 standards. One is for this one for ice cream, and this one is for the snow cone. The Play-Doh you need. Pink. I need pink. That's not pink.
I'm using this. Here's pink. Oh, dang. I thought that was pink.
Oh! What? I thought we had this one, but we bought it. This is cute. Oh, that's a cream! He even has a little popsicle knife. Cool, now look, we have a little popsicle knife. It's like a little egg to the baby. And actually is pretty. Because some of them are like different colors. There's one glue in
Look how
it.
fat this is.
Doors in my face. I want you to you. Just like, after this, isn't it?
Let's open up.
Go back over.
Everything lay down. Lay down. Now I need white. Where is white? Oh, Madeline.
That looks so delicious.
I know. Oh wait, on one of these, on the back of one of these plates, it's white and it's like a shape of like a bagel or something.
Haha, what is this cup?
This is far side. That's what I call white. There's no negotiation. Motivation.
Listen, how did you come along? You think I'm remaining patient? I'm throwing overboard and letting you swim and kill shots. You need the hands over the water.
Mommy, what? I'm at the fireplace. Oh no! This all just gets switched together.
This fireplace?
The white
Yeah.
and pink.
This?
Wait, what?
Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right. So you can make a
brown. I made brown.
brown.
You have
You
the
got brown right there.
Tiny bit.
And here's this brown that's the same color. And here's this.
Whoa, brown that I had. Then I need to put this
None
one.
of those things you're not
Right here.
gonna do the assignment.
Yeah.
Like the assignment is
yellow.
like,
Right here.
oh,
Mama, these two haven't been opened yet.
It's nice, isn't it? I
Yes.
like those. Sherry told me you missed one. So it was just like the perfect minute. Now I gotta
I make a fireplace with this.
take the fireplace.
Wood. Looks like blue.
What's my name? What's my name? What's my name?
This is gonna be a little bit messy, you guys.
Play down the carpet.
Oh, and how I got over there.
Daddy, this is supposed to be a apple melted plum.
It's like a Reese's Puff.
A racing pup.
Puff.
Pup. Oh. Now it's a peach.
Like this.
Oh. Okay, you have that then.
There's so much white left.
Oh, that's so cool, Autumn.
Mommy, make more flowers.
Is that cute?
Let's make more this.
That's Callie.
We'll make more this.
Cool. Autumn, it's Callie.
I know.
I'm surprised they would put chocolate in there.
They
Oh,
did.
that would be so fun.
There's no chocolate. How sad.
That's so sad.
Maybe tomorrow.
We love Chicoletto.
Oh.
This yours? What other color is
This one.
Are you gonna take this out? Here, let me do that.
Protect it.
Here.
I don't want to mess it up. Now we just gotta put this. I don't want to mess it up.
I won't. Here, I'll help.
Now, I mean, don't yellow.
Just need to get pink. Look
And
how pretty
pink.
this looks. I don't need pink. I need this pink. I need this pink.
I mean yellow. Open. I don't want to car.
You don't need to take this big one. You want the big one instead? I know, it's so big.
Oh. they're pretty fun. And look at Mars.
This is my cookie that I made for Daddy.
Look at Mars.
Not yet.
Oh.
That's good.
Look
And look at the cookie that I made. It's so easy to make, dear. To make these little guys. So all you do is you get this. If you have enough Play-Doh, you can use this. I'm gonna use this real quick. Make a triangle.